This is a love reading for you, Cancer. In this reading, I'm doing a heart shaped spread where on my left are the cards for you, and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest. If you're married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Now, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Cancer, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you're coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from Tarot for love reading. So let us see how's the guidance. Now please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Cancer, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So Cancer, some of you are just feeling a revival. Maybe if your partner had been keeping you waiting for something, or the two of you were not able to arrive at some kind of a decision, looks like the two of you have just agreed or found a solution. So there is almost a feeling of celebration in you, and it's as if whatever was not working for you, it's all now turning into a very big yes, and somehow every block seems to go out and things are starting to move very smoothly for you. If you were away, living away from your partner, I'm just saying your partner may have taken a permanent shift to be with you, or they may have just called you to be with them. Now, who is your partner? Your partner is someone very rooted, who believes in family and is hard at work to provide for or take care of you as their love interest. So, a very genuine, nice, and a hardworking person here. And your partner is very straightforward. There are no two ways, there are not many games that this partner is playing. And he or she may be very good with their business sense. So, or maybe their career is going very well. So, I'm just seeing someone who's doing very well financially and is all set in their situation. So it's all looking very good for some of you, Cancer. So what is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? So there is a lot of love in you, Cancer, and this love is very deep. So you love unconditionally, and you're so sensitive that you can probably do everything purely on emotions. So maybe if someone just tells you something nice, you lose your appetite and you're good to just go with the energy of those spoken words. So I'm just seeing someone very, very sensitive who cares about emotions, how well things are said, how relationships should be. So you're also a keeper. So it's just telling me that some of you have some very close and deep friends, and it's very important to you to have these people around you all the time. So, what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is feeling the two of you have almost endured whatever difficulty that was there in this relationship, and you both are almost about to reach a solution. So I'm just seeing that energy of two people who did not give up despite very, very dire or a difficult situation. The two of you choose to stick with each other and not give up. So your partner is very appreciative of you having supported him or her through some tough times or certain situation that was not working out. So one of the challenges, or really this is a strength which your partner now sees, that the two of you have endured all the difficulty that was there or had to be dealt with, and now the two of you are almost reaching a solution. So good sense of respect that your partner seems to have for you. Some of you may be recovering from your bad health also. It's quite possible that you were not keeping well, cancer, and now you're recovering, and your partner feels good that despite your bad health, you supported or did whatever was needed in the relationship. So, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? There is a great deal of respect your partner has for you, Cancer. Amazing respect. It's just as if your partner feels that your life is very sorted, you're very blessed, and you have such a beautiful thinking mind. So it's just your personality your partner is so attracted to, and how well you seem to have dealt with certain situations in life. So your partner has a lot of respect for you, Cancer. And how do you see your partner? Well, you see your partner as someone who has a good life and is almost surrounded with a lot of prosperity and riches. But you see the difference here. You're seeing your partner as a young boy or a very young person with just four coins and a very small crown. The truth is, your partner is actually a king, so someone very, very mature, not someone young or immature in their energy, very, very strong and mature. And not just these four coins, they're just flooded, or they're just surrounded with absolute lack of luxury. So some of you are underestimating how well or well to do your partner is, Cancer. And this is, you're seeing this is a some person just sitting on some comfortable bench. So you, some of you are just thinking your partner just has a comfortable life. The truth is, he or she has a amazingly good life, and they have created a solid source of income or riches for them. So some of you may not be fully aware of the whole financial situation or standard of living your partner has, Cancer. So some of you are not fully aware, or your partner may be keeping it hidden from you, whatever be the situation, because you're just seeing someone just holding few coins and sitting somewhere happy and content. The truth is, he or she can actually teach a lot of people how to make money. It's that stronger energy. So it's just not about money, it's also about family values. Some of you may feel that your partner is may be committed to you and the relationship. Truth is, they are amazingly committed, and the foundation is very, very deep towards you and the relationship. So maybe there is just something that you have not understood your partner all that well. So, what is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? I'm just seeing very emotionally distressing cards here. So, while everything is looking good, the two of you may be about to transition or move into the next phase in the relationship, and it's not coming easy for the two of you. I'm just saying that, Cancer, some of you are just feeling very overwhelmed with all the decision that needs to be taken, and having to move ahead with a certain decision or something that needs to be done in the relationship. I'm just seeing a great source of emotions and overflowing emotions. It's not just something that you can control and deal with. So whatever that is going on, Cancer, don't overdo this energy. Also, I'm saying that your partner is also not trying to deal with anything emotionally. He or she is trying to take some decision on how to move ahead, and they are not able to decide just yet. So while I do see some kind of a celebration in your heart that there is a solution that has come in. The action may be pending, so there is something that's pending for the two of you, and you both are finding it little bit difficult to transition or move to the next phase. Maybe you both have gotten comfortable with a certain equation, and now when you deepen the relationship or you move forward, maybe look at engagement or buying a house or a property, maybe it's just distressing the two of you very heavily. So I'm just seeing about the future energies, you both are still holding on to just taking that decision, and you both are not so sure. So there is still a very good sense of having to decide, to be very sure. So both of you will like to still spend more time before you decide that this is what we need to do or this is how we need to move forward. Both of you are undecided. So maybe there are certain things the two of you have spoken about or maybe you have discussed, but then I'm not seeing the future energies are being so clear. So the process may be still on where you both are still discussing. It may be about a relocation also, or maybe a certain decision that the two of you are planning to take. So this is not a worrying energy, this is just work in progress. So because you both have a very good impression about each other. So when this energy is so clear, it's just telling me this is something you both are still trying to figure out. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Cancer, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, you've had a good life, you've been well provided, and you have created a lot of riches and wealth for yourself. And your partner is someone very, very understanding, and he or she is always someone who will go and take the lead, not someone who will wait upon to be led or be told. So you may have a partner who's always ahead of you, Cancer, by 2 3 steps, because I just see two kings here, and king has a great vision. He or she can just foresee or have a great foresight, and they will always plan ahead. So some of you are probably not planning about the future as strongly as your partner may have already planned or maybe thinking about doing certain things for the long term. In the past energy, your partner has spent a lot of time dealing and understanding people and extending a lot of support to people. So, very good person inside and out. So, you're very lucky to be dating and being with this person, Cancer. Very grounded, very well, very rooted, and then amazingly emotional and supportive as a person. Now, what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? There is a change which is coming and it is very, very swift. So maybe whatever decision the two of you are planning to take for the future and you're spending a lot of time being distressed about it, not being sure how to do it, is just telling me that no matter how much time you spend, this decision will be taken very quickly. This change is very swift and it is very, very positive. So for some of you, there's a romantic holiday also. The two of you may just try to figure out a lot of things by taking a holiday or going on some vacation. So I'm just seeing a very great positive change coming. For some of you, there is a proposal on its way. So you may just get proposed as I see it. Very strong and good cards. And it's work in progress for the future energies. Nothing is stated yet. Maybe you want certain things in a certain way, Cancer, and your partner wants it in certain way. So you both are still trying to figure things out. But I'm just seeing a very positive winning energy coming your way. So this is how your love reading is looking from March to April.